Okay, so let's look at number 3. Number 3 is a one-step problem. I'll read it for you. Make sure you have your worksheet on hand. Jaden was recently hired for a job with an annual income of $23,000 using the federal income tax rate of 15%. What amount should Jaden expect to pay in federal income tax? Number 3 is very simple. What you want to do is when you're given an annual income, you want to multiply it by the federal income rate given. In this case, you see that we changed the 15% to a decimal, 0.15. So you just want to multiply these two quantities, 23,000 times 0.15. That's going to give you a total of 3,450. So the amount that Jaden is expected to pay in federal income tax would be 3,450. Okay. Moving on to number 4. Number 4 is also a one-step problem. You want to take that. I'll go ahead and read it for you. Avery has a job where she has a take-home salary each month of $2,200. If Avery wants to spend no more than 15% of her monthly take-home salary on her car payment, how much can she afford? All right, so Avery takes home $2,200 each month. She wants to spend no more than 15%. So you're going to take that salary and you're going to multiply it by the percentage given, 15%. Be sure to change it to a decimal. So 2,200 times the 0.15 will give her a total of $330. So she can afford $330. So that will be your final answer for number 4. Okay. Now let's look at number 5. Number 5 is you have a few more steps in number 5. I'll go ahead and read it for you. Mia found a receipt for a pair of boots for $130.46, tax included. If the sales tax rate was 5%, what was the list price of the boots? Round your answer to the nearest cent. So whenever you have a problem like number 5, you want to use this formula in step number 1. You're going to take the list price plus the tax percentage times the list price equals the total price. Okay, we don't know the list price. We're looking for the list price. So in step number 2, you're going to substitute the given information and be sure to use X for the list price because that's the unknown. That's what we're looking for. Therefore, when you substitute everything into your equation, you're going to get X plus 0.05. Remember, that was a tax percentage. We change it to a decimal times X equals the total price of the boots, $130.46. So to find the list price, we're going to solve for X. Okay? Remember, if you don't see a coefficient in front of X, it's understood to be what? 1, right? So we have 1x plus 0.05x, and we're going to combine the like terms. When we combine them, we get 1.05x equals the total price. We're going to continue to solve for x by dividing both sides by 1.05 to get a final answer of $124.25. So the original list price before the tax of the boots was $124.25.